Today we are here in Abu Dhabi. We are going to Rim Central Park. Alright, so join us as we explore this beautiful city. Yalla Habibi.
Wali-wali.
So here we have a taxi. Yalla. Hello brother. Going to Rim Central Park?
Rim Central Park.
Yes. Right, we are on the move. Where are you from, bro?
From Uganda.
Uganda.
Yeah.
If I go to Uganda, which city is the best?
City.
Yeah.
You have to visit Kampala.
Kampala.
Yeah.
Okay. That is noted.
But there are even some other places
Hmm.
that have got some national parks.
Parks, okay. It's in Africa, right?
It's in
Yeah.
Africa.
Okay, okay. We are here.
May mall dyan.
Walang mall dyan, yung mall dyan, pinaka-mall dyan, yung Rim na. Rim Mall.
Okay.
Park to. Yeah, card please.
Drop your hand.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
We will just walk.
Alright.
Ano mga coffee shop? Coffee, please. I want coffee.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright.
No. Baba. Ish. Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome to Rim Central Park. So, feeling ko maraming tao kasi nga it's weekend. We walk that way, you want?
Yeah, this way?
Okay, because this is for cars. We don't have cars. So, yun.
Walkathon. Waste management.
Sana maabutan namin yung, or sana maano namin yung sunlight ngayon. Ma-maximize. Kasi it's ano na kasi, di ba 6:30 na?
Sunset.
So, sunset, ayun siya oh. Pero malayo. Sana ma-maximize namin yung ano,
Pinakabaga na
light.
yata ako. Ako ng utot, tsaka digay ako ng digay.
Eh, ba't
Pero
ka ba
gusto ko
ganyan?
ng kape.
Baka mamaya na ano ka sa pagkain nila ha? Nadali ka. Yung ano, yung nakaraan, yung lassi shop,
Oh, wala na yun.
Hindi na-
Toxic pala yun eh.
napasarado ng ano.
Look,
Kasi
oh,
nga
what's that?
nahuli. Ha?
What's this?
This one, I'm not sure yet, but I think it's
Laguno,
cafe.
gusto mo na ako. Cafe?
Yeah.
Take mo ako sa coffee shop. Uy, ganda dito. Picture mo ako dyan.
Later, we just need to explore the area first. Because we need to maximize
Look,
the
may
sunlight.
laruan.
Yeah, this is a park for families, and if you want, you can bring your clothes
Uy,
here,
it's nice. Look, oh.
and then you can.
Look, oh, I'll take a photo. Look at this.
Mm.
Look, oh. See, dun tayo. Ayun ang sunset, oh. Let's go
So,
there, guys.
Let's go.
I saw a spot that's very maganda, Instagrammable. There's a lot of children. I miss Liam.
Of course, this is park slash playground slash
there's,
boulevard. Ganun
Look,
siya.
oh, may ano, beach. Can I go swim?
Yes, I told you earlier, di ba? Sabi ka nga magdala ka ng pang ano, pantampisaw mo kasi
Ang
pwede yan.
ganda dito.
Halika, bumaba.
Oh, see? Take me a picture.
Hmm.
Take it. Lang.
So here, kids can play like this. It is very nice. So sana pala nagdala tayo ng ano, ng mga damit natin dito. So look at the vibes, guys. It is very western na. Hindi na siya feeling Middle East. Para na siyang Europe, kumbaga. Picture muna.
Video yun.
Na-video ba yun? Okay. So, sa park na to, ito, meron siyang parang beach. Pero hindi siya beach eh.
Dito mo na-
Parang siyang lake.
So ayun,
So,
habang nag-video siya, pipicture niya ako. Ano siya, multitasking ka naman.
Of course.
Since dinala mo ako dito and maganda, parang ang task mo ay picture na ako maganda.
Ayan, mga kaibigan. Nung una ako nagpunta dito actually, hindi pa siya ganito. Ginagawa pa lang siya. Pero 2 years after, ito na siya. Diba ang ganda? Yung mga
Virtual, ang
cafes.
daming coffee shop. So,
Pero
yung
syempre yung gusto
pabor na
kong
pabor
food,
Sa ate mo.
yung gusto kong food is yung ano, Arabic or ano, Indian.
Pabor na pabor sa ate mong gusto ng pagkain ng kape. So here, I got a spot na pwede niya akong picturean. Ito na yon. So look at here. Here. Come here, come here. Okay?
Okay, I understand.
Come here. Maybe parang mas maganda kung pala dun mahalo.
Yes, so this area is also ideal for jogging and walking. So like him.
Susulitin na kita.
So see, lahat dito applicable. Pwedeng maglaro,
Ito naman mahal.
pwedeng mag-jogging, pwedeng mag-chillax. Everything, you can do it here.
Sulitin ko muna yung photographer ko. Come here na.
So today, my job is to be a photographer.
Here.
But it's okay, it's her first time here.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. So now, we are going to the sand part para ma-feel naman namin yung white sand. So by the way, this is similar to the Dolomite Beach. Wow.
Baka may disclaimer ka since mainit na daw. So no, medyo pais na yung kainitan dito sa UAE. Kasi baka sabihin, ang init-init, gala kayong gala sa taas.
So actually, meron pa rin siyang ano, meron pa rin siyang init, pero nasa ano na kasi siya ngayon eh, transition mode. So papunta na kami sa winter actually. So hopefully in the next few weeks, few months, lalamig na rin dito.
And I'm so happy kasi nakarating na rin ako sa Santorini. Take me a picture. Here, man. Paglabas.
What is that?
Pagbaba nila.
Santorini.
Nakarating na ako ng Santorini, guys. Yes, Diyos ko, ang dami ko na napuntahang bansa. So, pang-apat na bansa na to. Santorini.
Right, so we are just enjoying the vibe here. Medyo masingaw, medyo mainit, pero it's fine. We're just walking around, kapagutom para mamaya kainan na. So hopefully may makita kaming ano, edible. Hindi, yung natural lang sa Filipino taste. So yun.
Hold me when I'm there.
So actually, ang laki ng in-improve ng lugar na to. Nung nagpunta ako dito, ginagawa pa kasi medyo marami pa siyang construction na basura. So ngayon, sobrang ano niya, linis and aliwalas. And for sure, sa winter, ang daming tao dito panigurado.
I'm excited. Maybe on 24th, the hotness will be.
So hopefully that's true.
And hopefully, puro hopefully.
Grabe. I thank God that He brought me here in the UAE to see something like this, to experience something like this in my life. Kasi dati kasi hindi ko na-expect na makakapunta ako sa mga ganitong bansa. Akala ko forever na ako sa Pilipinas kasi nga parang dati wala akong pangarap. Pero He made it happen and I'm thankful for Him.
Sexy ko naman dito.
Alright, now we are here in the sand area. Napakalambot ng lupa, parang kakainin niyo pa ako. Pero okay lang yan.
Picture me here.
It is for the experience.
Sorry, magpapapicture.
So actually, wait lang. Gotta try something. Oh my god, it's wet.
See?
Huh?
Sweat. Picture mo na ako dito ba?
So, we will take another photo session for this lady. Oops. Oh.
Tinataas ko, niyuyuko mo.
Right, so now, I'm going to try the water. Kung pwede. Sana pwede. So, ayun o. Lambot sa paa. Basta na pa ako. So, napaka-relaxing dito. And at the same time, napaka-peaceful kasi nga, may tubig. Yung natural sound ng tubig nandito. So, I'm in the water already. Great experience here in Abu Dhabi. It is just for free nga pala ha. Walang bayad to dito. So, yun. So now, our assignment is to look for a shop or something to eat now. So let's go. Samahan niyo kami. Alright. I removed my shoes. Kasi nabasa ako kanina sa tubig. And we are now entering or papunta na tayo sa yung mismong park, yung pinakagitna. So ito yung mga niyan. Ito yung itsura niya.
Nagkita na kami, my goodness.
Ayan, may mga food trucks. So later we're going to check what can we buy and what can we eat around this area. Okay?
Grabe, ba't hindi sila pinagpapawisan?
Because they are wearing white.
Why? No.
No. Alright guys, medyo napagod na ang princess. And we're now going to one of the cafes here. So let's check out what is affordable or what is, the available menus here. So, yala.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we've made it to the place where these cafes are next to each other. So, pipili na lang kami kung alin yung magustuhan namin. So, tara! So, we are now making our way to this Vontuno.
What's this? What about
So, tara, check natin yung menu nila. I think it's pizza. Ay! Ano ba yan? I think it's pizza.
pizza?
I think so. I know. Finally, some air condition. So, check the menu.
Let's check the menu. Here tayo. Maganda yung view. Ito ko. Do you wanna go?
Ano pong menu?
Ingat, grabe.
Mm.
So, I want pizza na nakarap ako nag-crave pizza.
Pizza? You want?
Kung may pizza mo.
Hmm.
Yay!
Oh, check.
Pizza Biancavi.
So I think we're going to have pizza for the night. So this is our date night actually. You happy?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let me check the menu first.
What do you want?
Ano yung pepperoni nyo?
Anong drinks?
Drinks? O sige, check mo yung drinks. Pepperoni tapos drinks. Ano ito pa yung drinks tayo? Meron din sa beverages. Yan, ito. Do you want mojito? Ingat.
Wait, juice yan.
Oops. Ano ito na yun?
Milkshake.
Yung kang milkshake. Cold drinks na.
Mm. Ma'am, order po. Isa pong itong
Strawberry.
paborito po. Tapos po yung kaya po na Coke na zero. Yeah, thank you po.
Yes.
You happy?
I am. It's too hot lang. Kasi lang may aircon dito.
So yun, wait lang kami sa order mga kaibigan. And we're going to feast with one whole pizza. So yun, ang ganda ng nila, utensils. Cutlery. Thank you po. So, Coke Zero, as usual, iwas asukal.
Yes, sugar.
So, the golden cutleries. Ang bango ng ambience dito. Amoy pizza talaga. Parang sobrang nakakagutom. Am I right? Oh, strawberry mo ito.
Wow, thank you. Nice naman.
Hmm?
Strawberry margarita. Finally got... Look at you here.
Wow. Very happy. Here we have the main event. Thank you. So, technically, ano siya? Pepperoni lang siya na pizza. Iba lang yung pangalan daw. Diavola.
Wow. With an accent.
Yeah.
Unmute mo nga, mahal. Sorry naman. So, here's the noise. Cutie pie. Eh, kung pala ito, mahal. Okay lang.
Okay lang po. For ano lang po, reference lang.
Nakasad ka dito. Para lang may ano. 1, 2, 3. This white? This white?
Oo.
Okay daw po. Cute naman lang si.
Thank you po, ma'am.
2 months pa lang po kasi naman ito.
Bago pa lang po siya.
Bago pa lang po. Kaya picture-picture pa.
Sa summer pa yung ano niya, summer pa yung napuntahan niyang season, kaya mainit.
Opo. Ay, bakit sa ano niya? Winter season.
Opo, hindi okay naman po, may work na po.
Nagka-work na po agad.
1 month po siya nag-apply. Kaso sa Khalifa nga lang napunta.
Office po. Sa office. Opo.
Saya.
Opo.
You're so lucky.
Yes, malaki nga po siya.
Everyday po eh. Simula pagdating ko, weekdays, hanap ng work online. Weekend po ang pasyal. Lagi.
Kasi alam mo, sa totoo lang ang daming naghahanap ng trabaho. Years, months, pero 1 month, hanap. Happy ka talaga.
Para sa'yo talaga ang UAE.
Correct.
So yun, kain muna kami.
Let's eat na. Kain po.
Ha?
Parang gusto mo na pagkamay.
Nagkamay ka.
May tissue naman kaso.
Pambansang Coke.
Purok siya po. Sarap.
Combination kasi yan, Coke and pizza.
Oo. Tapos timpras. Tapos timpras. Okay.
Taste test.
First bite.
Ano to? Diavola. Diavola pizza.
Pepperoni. Mozzarella. Nice. Good?
Very cheesy. So, last slice. Yan, naubos namin dalawa. Sa buong pizza. Sarap.
Sabi ng margarita nila. I mean, mojito. Yung mojito baka sabi may alak. Bawal yun dito.
Juice lang yun. Sparkling juice. So, yun. Naubos ni Maris.
Hoy, mas madami kong nakain ha.
Gutom yan.
Naubos ko doon. Naubos natin. Gutom.
Ma'am, pwede po card? Card po. Card payment po. So, bayad na tayo. Kano kaya ang ating bill? Ha?
Limol nasakay?
Hindi, dyan na sa tapat, pag-ahon. Merong sakayan din.
Ito po sir, 88.
So, ito ang bill.
Huwag mo na
88 pesos. Joke lang.
Huwag mo na
88
i-convert.
dirham. So, bayad tayo.
Pag kinonvert mo na, saktan na lang.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you. You need receipt sir?
Hindi na po. Okay lang. How about you?
Me? Ubusin ko lang to. Sarap eh.
Let's wait for her. Let's go.
Salamat eh.
Thank you po, ma'am.
So, babalik kami dito na.
So, let's go.
Ay, sige po.
Sa Google.
Okay po.
Ako, sige. Ay, push. Tulak pala.
Push kasi
Ba yan?
siya.
Alright.
Oh, sarap.
We made it outside.
And ang sarap
We-
makapagkwentuhan sa mga kabayan talaga.
We just have...
Conversation.
no. Yes, actually, yes. Conversation with our fellow kabayans.
30 minutes
And
na
we
to.
have paid 88 dirhams for that one whole pizza.
At huwag
One
na
mojito
i-convert.
and then one Coke.
So, wag mo na i-convert.
So that is it for today's vlog,
Bye
guys.
everybody. I want
We will
more.
see you next time.